Hey guys, welcome to Derand Motorsports. Today we're going to show you how to remove the batteries on the ET4 Spark. The same thing goes for the ET4 Connect, just like this model right here. Raf's going to show you how to do this. So we already took the seat off. It's pretty simple, and then you just undo the screws to take the plate, the covering off. He's also pointing at the breaker here. That's really important to turn off before you start disconnecting the batteries, just to make sure it's safe. So you're going to want to remove the screws from the braces and then just place those on the side. Once you have those on the side, you're going to want to disconnect the wires from the car to the batteries. And he's going to show you which wires those are. That's this one right there. Once you disconnect those, it's safe to remove the actual terminals from the batteries. That way you don't short circuit anything. You want to make sure these are to the side and safely put away before you start removing everything. We're going to be putting 65 amp batteries in this car, as the customer has requested the large batteries. You're going to want to disconnect all the terminals, and then you can go ahead and remove the batteries safely. Keep those screws. Don't do what he just did there. You want to make sure those screws are safe and somewhere, so when you reinstall the batteries, you have them to connect your batteries back. If you do lose the screws, you can contact Derand, and over time, those connectors too, if they wear out, you can always bring them in. We can get you new ones. Once the batteries are removed, you want to keep them in a dry, safe place, ideally inside your home. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you have a good day. And now you know how to remove the batteries off the ET4 Spark.